Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is ethical and ethics in performance management. The ethical behavior and organization is a key essential for doing business in today competitive marketing. This type of behavior play an important role of organization overall success and is regard and the ethical profession and observe. A cooperative ethics program is made up volume policies and ethic activity with the impact of the property of organizational behavior. What is ethics? Ethical performance management is defined as a process of planning, managing, appraising, and monitoring employee performance based on the principle of fairness, objectivity, transparency, and good cooperative governance. Ethics is a backbone of an organization and all its activity. What is ethics? Ethics is a defined process whereby the choose between the competitive moral and or economic volume and values is a systematic and core moral standard a particular person, group, and profession. The action of an individual taking himself to ensure continuous survival across the dynamic. Ethically in performance management, ethics is a process of a rational thinking aimed to establish what value to hold and when to hold them. A moral principle or set of moral value held in individual and groups. Managerial ethics standard and moral judgment manager use it there by the businesses. Next, ethical behavior, high employee loyalty, encourage of the personal satisfaction, encouraging of the organization policies, reduction of in turnover, satisfy customer. Unethical behavior like manufacturing, use of inferior quality of material, marketing, misleading customer about the product and features and services of organization, distribution, changing priority of the booking order without information in the manager, and now next one, customer care, not keeping communicate commitment on guarantee. Objective and significance of ethics in performance management. First one, build a better society. Second one, collective highly performance team. Third one, attractive and retain talent. Next one, maintain legal sensitivity, improve reporting, and last one, promote a strong corporate image. Ethical issues and dilemma in a performance management, like managerial malpractices. Second one, value conflict. Conflict, every organization has its own set of core value and they accept that its employee can should be honor and practice these value. If we are considering the employee, they also have their own set of value and goal of their want to be follow their own value rather than of the organizational value. Moral measures, corporate goal achievement, employee engagement, managerial favoritism, peer pressure, workplace politics. Workplace politics is a major concern of these days. According to a survey it assessment, 18% of administration time is spent resolving conflict among the employee. This type of situation, as also stated there, the use such internal behavior and design acquiring of the power of the property itself. Employee engagement, it has been seen that many talented employees show as the die interest on their jobs and they try to maintain a minimum level of performance and hold on their jobs. In most situations it had been observed they spend their previous time of their unnecessary activity. For example, employee using organization internet access for the personal purpose during work hour and it is result is a productivity loss. And next one, violence of ethics. Ethical strategy in performance management. First one, education and training on ethical. Second one, employment accountability. Third one, communication. Fourth one, resolving value conflict. And fifth, increasing employment engagement. And last one, culture of the decent. Strategy of ethical management. Characteristics of the compilation strategy: ethos, objective, team leader, method, and behavioral assumption, like conformity with the externally imposed of the standard, prevent misleaded, lower divine education, reduce distraction, audition, control and plaintiff. Implementation of the compliance strategy like standard, staffing, activity and education imply the integrative strategy, standards, staffing and activity and education like company value, exemptions, obligations, ethics and law like value and the standard, trade and the communication integration of the company and providing the guidance and consultant of the every each and every value. HR responsibility. HR responsibility and professional reasonable for adding value to develop HR function. They are also responsible and maintain balance between the performance improvement and ethical behavior in an organization. HR professionals shall act as the ethical custodian and train and develop human resource for dealing effectively the relationship issue of the morality, integrating honesty with the stakeholder, particular customer, supplier and society at a large. Strategy for ethical management. Thank you.